Hey everybody, Jason Hubbard here, Loyalty Home Group, brokered by EXP Realty. I'm out in Queen Creek today looking at some new construction. Just wanted to bring you over here to a brand new community built by Ashton Woods. It's called Madera. There's a couple different phases in here. You got Marquis at Madera, you got Concord at Madera, and there's another one in here as well that has bigger homes with RV garages and stuff. But the first thing I wanted to talk about today is the community amenities. So some of the pluses at this community that they have. This community here, the HOA fee is only $93. So you'll find that very low, especially with all the amenities that this community has to offer. As I go through here, you'll see some of the amenities, but I'll kind of brush over them real quick. This community here has a heated pool and spa, pickleball, bocce ball, basketball, multi-age playgrounds. This community is located, there's a brand new Fry's going in pretty close, but it's also really close to Frontier Park. Frontier Park is a brand new park going up inside of Queen Creek that has splash pads and all kinds of sports amenities, lighted fields, and all that good stuff. But Madera here, all kinds of construction going on around here. It's located right next to Barney Farms. But let's go ahead and let's take a look at the community amenities. So here we are outside of the gated pool. And this pool is heated. And it does work with a fob. And just a beautiful facility, lots of covered areas here. You got benches and tables and lounge chairs and lots of cover in here. Over here you have a spa, and then you have a nice gas fire pit there for people to hang out. Bathrooms over here, and drinking fountains, showers over there to rinse off, and a nice big pool area. As you come out of the pool area, you'll notice a nice big playground here. Again, lots of seating and barbecues and covers over the picnic tables. Big playground, multiple slides for the little kids, slides for the bigger kids. Great big green areas, great for kids sports. These are also multi-purpose. They're used for water retention for the neighborhood. So on those rainy days, this is where all the water will accumulate, which will take a couple days and it'll dry up. As we know here with our Arizona monsoons, this time of year, these areas here will fill up with water, and within a couple days they'll be dry. So the covers here are nice, keeping the equipment as cool as can be anyway. Over here you got your pickleball courts, and these are for Madera residents only. And this over here, I believe, is bocce ball. And throughout the community, there's some other smaller parks offering things like basketball courts and stuff like that.